Okay, Steve, with shots on net, I need you to skate harder to the net. Anticipating the shot, so that if there's a rebound or anything, or if the goalie juggles it, you're closer, you're able to make a tough call. Face-off procedure, you need to get more knee bend. Bend in the knees, get more of a ready position, and then do not present the puck to come in from the belt line out and down. Good, nice transition. And the partner's there to make the call. Good awareness on the switch. Good hustle. Nice.
There's names I haven't heard in a long time.
That's the spot right there where you need to go in hard to the net instead of being back behind the home base. Bare minimum, you should be at home base with the puck across the ice from you when you're inside the zone. And then on the shot on net, you're going in hard to the net. Okay, coming into the zone right that time, we tried to make it a point of skating into the zone backwards. Don't worry about skating into the zone backwards. The play's ahead of you. Just keep going forwards, make your signal as a trailing official, and just keep following it in. Make sure you're there to make the right call, which you were.